Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss a topic that is very dear to my heart. That is self-compassion for educators. Let's start discussing with the emotional reality of teaching. Teaching is meaningful and fulfilling and also contribute to self-satisfaction. However, it can also be emotionally exhausting as teachers juggle between teaching, classroom behavior management, handling high expectations, and administrative tasks. And also teachers are responsible for well-being of the students. Often teachers prioritize the needs of others, that's the students, their colleagues, and the parent over their own needs. And teachers are more compassionate to students, to other people, more than they are to themselves. Let's look at the prevalence of mental health challenges among teachers globally, which is very common. And a recent systematic review revealed that in burnout, at least 25 to 80% of teachers reported that, depression symptoms, 20 to 50%, anxiety symptoms, 20 to 60%. As we can see, these numbers are very high. And additional to that, teachers in low middle income countries have high levels of these symptoms than their counterparts in high income countries. What are the factors that are contributing to this? One is high roads and large class sizes, which most of us can relate to, limited resources and teaching materials, low pay and job insecurity, few mental health services and support system, and also additional pressures such as socio-economic challenges that affect both the teachers and the students, and low cost strain such as teaching and also caregiving responsibilities. Today, we are going to learn a practice that can help us as teachers develop more emotional resilience so that we can be able to handle stress, depression, and burnout as it occurs. This method is called RAIN, which is a simple self-compassion tool. We are going to learn what self-compassion. This method was made famous by Tara Brach, who is a mindfulness teacher and a psychologist. But this method was developed by Michelle McDonald. Let's first by defining what self-compassion is. According to Christine Neff, who developed this construct, define self-compassion as having three elements. One is mindfulness. What is mindfulness? It's being aware of someone's feeling without judgment, like sadness, joy, anger. And second element is common humanity. That's recognizing that we are not alone in suffering, like everybody in the whole world is going through some form of suffering. And kindness is treating ourselves with care and understanding, especially when you are really having a hard time. So in short, self-compassion has three elements. That is mindfulness, common humanity, and kindness. We talked about RAIN. What is RAIN? RAIN is an acronym for R, which means recognition, A is to allow, I is to investigate, and N is to nurture. We are going to discuss one by one, and finally we'll do an exercise to incorporate all these elements. R means recognizing. This is recognizing what you're feeling and naming the emotion, stress, frustration, fatigue, because when you name it, we can be able to tame it. And then A is to allow. Let the feeling be present just the way they are without avoiding them or resisting or depressing them. I is to investigate. Explore these feelings with curiosity and non-judgmental attitude. Like someone can ask themselves, what am I feeling? Because sometimes we even don't know what we are feeling and what do I need. Sometimes we may need different things depending on occasion. Sometimes maybe I may need to take a walk, take coffee, take tea, take a rest, or go out to watch a movie or go out for dinner. Yes, when we investigate with curiosity, it's when we know what we need. And then after investigation, we do nurture. This is offering kindness to ourselves. You can say like, oh, sweetheart, this one will go through, and use supportive self-talk like, you can do it. This shall pass too. And also you can do some gentle physical gestures like putting your hand on your chest or giving yourself a hug, because these gentle physical gestures, they have been associated with the production of good hormones such as endorphins, which help us to fight stress. And then how can we introduce self-compassion through learning class? This is like when there's a difficult moment or stressful moment, just taking a pause. During this pause, you can take a breath, take some few breaths on, or ground yourself by feeling your feet, and also modeling emotional regulation in class. And also you can teach the student the simple steps for rain, like the way I've taught you. And then from there, we are going to do a 5 minute lane practice so that we can bring all the elements together. And when you're ready, you can start to settle in. Take a pause. Take a deep breath and bring your attention to the present moment. Notice your body and surrounding for a few seconds. Notice and name your feeling. What are you feeling right now? Feeling sad? Feeling happy? Frustrated? Tired? Why are you feeling the emotions? Your chest? Your throat? Your abdomen? Allow these feelings to be present without judgment. You can pause and take few breaths in. You can breathe in, breathe out. Then you breathe in again and breathe out. We can do some exploration gently. We can ask ourselves, what am I feeling? Where do I feeling it in my body? Maybe feeling our neck, our abdomen, our neck, which usually handles a lot of stress. And end for nurture, offer yourself some kind words or a gentle gesture. For example, you can place your hand on your heart and say, may I be kind to myself? May I be kind to myself? May I be peaceful? May I be peaceful? May I be healthy? May I be healthy? You can repeat these gentle words. May I be kind to myself? May I be kind to myself? May I be happy? May I be happy? May I be healthy? May I be healthy? And slowly bring your attention to your surrounding. Feel your body if you are seated on the chair. And open your eyes if you had closed them. And carry self-compassion into the rest of your day. And thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.